Hello everybody and welcome to Key Cam and the Fam. And I still haven't got a battery for my smoke detector. But anyway, you guys, I am back in the kitchen again. My husband woke me up this morning at 6 o'clock in the morning talking about a chicken boil. Yay. Whew. So anyway, I actually have this particular video up. It's already on It's a Love Thing. So I'm going to do it today on Key Cam and the Fam. Yay. So today, guys, I have my chicken. I have my potatoes, my broccoli, my garlic, my minced garlic, parsley flakes, a corner of paprika.
Just a little corner.
I have my Old Bay seasoning, my garlic powder, onion mix, corn, the last bag of them. Do you guys remember when Pops went to the grocery store and surprised me? These are the last of my peppers, and of course I have the drumsticks. The only thing I am missing out of this bowl is I don't have any onion. I don't even have any onion powder. So today I gotta cut an onion up. So we're gonna cut this onion up and we're just gonna talk.
What you want to talk about?
Oh my goodness. So we're just gonna cut a couple of slices of onions. Pops don't like me going to the store because he knows that I really don't like being in the store. So even if he tend to forget something, it's okay. When he go back to the store, we'll just get it next time. So we just gonna cut these potatoes up, big or small. It's just going in the water. I hope he remember to get some batteries.
Yeah.
For the smoke detector.
I think we have two.
The smoke detector and the batteries and the remote is going out. So we actually have, I think it's actually 8 chicken drums sticks. So this should be more than enough onions. And you all know I love my onions. And we're going to have this meal with our Key and Cam love sauce. And nope, I'm not going to do the recipe for that. That's not going to happen. Y'all, I mean, come on. People know how to make butter, sauce, and all of that.
All these onions.
Oh. So we're going to go over to the stove and we're going to season this water.
Alright.
So we're adding our Lipton onion mix. And now we're going to go in with our onions. Okay. So we have our Lipton onion mix in this water. Now we're going in with our garlic powder.
Yes.
And we're adding to the garlic powder. What else we put in here? Lipton onion mix and onions. So now we're going in with our minced garlic. And I love garlic. 1, 2. We like our water to be seasoned.
Seasoned. Yeah.
Paprika.
Wow. No wonder you said. I know we use it a lot.
And now we're getting ready to add in our Old Bay.
Pour the whole thing in there.
That's not going to happen.
I'll put that on my noodles once. Delicious. Why do you use the other side?
Because the other side, she asked me why do I use this side?
I'll just pour it in there.
So let me show you.
Yeah, just pour it.
Do you see how much in that? Do you see how much is left?
Pour it. Just dump it in there.
Absolutely not. And so we're going to just put a couple of parsley flakes in. It's not a whole lot. And I like to let this water come to a boil before I add my chicken. Yes. So we're sitting here and we got the water just is on. So how are you guys enjoying these double uploads? I gotta give a shout out to my niece. I gotta take this moment to shout out my niece. My niece sent me a picture. She made my pizza. When I tell you her pizza looks delicious, it looks delicious. She really, I am so proud of her. She did a wonderful, wonderful job. So it just let me know that somebody is actually paying attention to my videos.
Well, shout out to you, cuz. Can I say that? Or do I have to say cousin? Because there's a cuz, like...
Shout out to Lon Lon.
Yeah, I don't know if we can say your name. Shout out to Lon Lon.
Yes, so shout out to her because I was really, really excited when I seen the picture of the pizzas. And probably on one of the videos, we'll probably show you guys her pizza because it's a really, really, it really is. It's a good recipe.
Yeah, and it's fun.
So this is our chicken boil. And we're going to get back into cooking this chicken. But guys, if you are learning anything or if it's some suggestions that you can give me, please let me know. I don't mind, you know, taking constructive criticism. I'm open to that. But the water is boiling and we're getting ready to add in our chicken.
Oh, right now?
No, tomorrow.
I thought you meant like boop, 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 you know, bubbling, like. Okay.
Where you check.
How you check that?
Now you see where the water is boiling. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Can you see it?
No.
You don't see the steam coming up?
Oh, that's what you check for? Okay. Okay, I'm learning something new, y'all. I thought it had to just like be bubbling.
So guys, we gonna pour the water off the oh my goodness.
I thought it had to have bubbles.
So we're gonna add in the drumsticks. And if you want to, you can add black pepper to this. You can add, if you have any Cajun seasoning, you can add your Cajun seasoning. And once this chicken cook, it's gonna cook for an hour. It's gonna boil for an hour. We're gonna let all of those juices get in this. We're gonna let all of that good flavor get in this chicken. So once this chicken have boiled, then we're gonna add in our potatoes. Then we're gonna add in our corn. And of course, you can't have a chicken boil without broccoli. Oh, it's not the same. And of course, you can't have a chicken boil without your key cam. You can't have without your key cam love sauce.
That is true.
But you all are not gonna have key cam and love sauce. You all are gonna make you some butter, garlic sauce, or whatever sauce that you use. Just, you know, get your sauce.
Wait a minute.
What?
Why can't I have key cam love sauce?
I said they're not gonna be able to get key cam love sauce.
Oh. I was freaking out, y'all. Okay,
as I was saying before Little Mama started talking, we're going to let this chicken come to the boil. We're going to cover it. And we're going to add in, once the chicken has cooked for an hour, we're going to add in our potatoes, our corn, and broccoli at probably like the last 2 or 3 minutes of cook. Because I just like my broccoli steamed. and we just come back.
Yeah, we'll bring you guys back.
Okay guys, we are back.
We are back.
And now we're getting ready to add in our potatoes. And when I tell you, it smells so good in here.
It does.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, 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 yes. So we're gonna let our potatoes boil with the chicken, and then we're gonna bring you guys back when we get ready to put the corn in here and then the broccoli. Oh, you know what? Just watch the video. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to add in our corn. See how that garlic came to the top? Woo! That's what I'm talking about. This is good eat, y'all. This is good eat. So because I am a big fan of the flavor that Old Bay gives your food, you know I gotta go in with the Old Bay for my corn. That look good. What? And then we're going to, I'm going to leave my corn. Once I let this boil down for about 15 minutes, then we're going to add in our broccoli. And we're going to turn the pot off and just let it steam all the way. So I will bring you guys back. I know I can't wait to this. I just can't wait. This is going to be delicious. And we're warming up our Key and Cam love sauce. Sorry, but I don't have a recipe for Key, Cam, and the Fam love sauce. But we're going to do that, and I will bring you guys back. Well, guys, as you can see, our chicken has been cooking 1 hour. So now we're just getting ready to add in our broccoli. We're going to turn the pot off, and we're just going to let this steam. And I'm just dropping it in here. And I'm going to plate this. I'm going to let this just cool off. Just, you know, I'm just going to let it sit, and we will bring you guys back once I set a plate. Okay guys, so these are my chicken boil bowls. I have the Key and Cam love sauce. I have my just, you all seen everything I put in here. Only thing you didn't see me cook was the sausages and boil the eggs. So these are our chicken boil. This is my chicken boil bowls, and here go my fresh lemons. And guys, this meal is so good. Try it for your family. If you enjoy this meal, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.